Okay, so we've got the Kraton EXB today, running the Hobbywing Max6 1650 kV combo with a 19-tooth pinion, and we're going to be running on 6S only, just to see what this thing can do with the current setup. Rest of the car's all stock, diffs, shocks, everything else is standard, so let's see what we can do. Alrighty, first time driving this truck. Woo! This is going to be interesting. Alright, Noah, here we go. First pass. How much? 99. So that's pushing 100 Ks with the 19 tooth. That is very nice. Thank you very much. All right. Of course, we do have the GPS in there as well. Woo! That's awesome. 100 Ks on a bash vehicle like this with this much torque is a lot of fun. Here we go, Noah. Try to keep it steady. 101. This thing has got some pull. It's got some pull. Let me get that nice. Thank you. All right. Third and final. Let's hit triple figures again. Take it right out there. Here we go. Okay, let's see if we can get a good wind out. How much? 99. Oh, fair enough. I did punch it a little late. Well, I'm kind of scared of bringing the front wheels up. So 99 twice and 101. Let's see what our GPS units say. Here we go. Let me just put the radio down here real quick. I'll zoom out of here and we'll do this really quickly. Here we go. What have we got? We got 102 on that GPS. So 102 on that one. And then the other one, let's see what we got. I'll just open up my app here and we'll do read. Oh no, hang on, I've got to do stop first. And now we do read. And we have 103. And for some reason, there's always 1K difference between these two. And that one always registers a K higher. So, there we go. 103, that's what we got. 102, thereabouts. So, okay. Triple figures on a bash vehicle. And I'm pretty happy with that. Very happy with that. Turn that off. And as you can see here, we have our 6-cell, and we're running these. These are kind of like, they're sort of new packs that we're stocking at Metro Hobbies, and they're really good because they're a hard case 6S, which isn't really any bigger than a conventional, standard sort of 4S. That's a 5200 50C. So very cool. ARRMA is the brand. They're made by Vant batteries, which make a few different brands out there. So they're a pretty reliable brand, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way that that's turned out. So that's it for this speed test. Thank you for watching. Look out for the bash video because that is going to be coming very, very soon. I can't wait to take this thing out and just send it as high as I can. That's it for me. Catch you next time.